In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the coolant reservoir on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located in the engine bay. Let's get started. Remove the connector off of the coolant bottle. We're going to press on the tab, pull straight back, and remove the connector. There's your tab right there. We're going to pop the harness out. Using a pair of pliers, we're going to pinch the clamp, pull it back on the hose. I'm going to break the tension between the hose and the bottle. Be sure you don't rip your hose. Pull the hose straight back off of the bottle. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt. We're going to wiggle our washer fluid filler neck off of the base of the reservoir. Using a T25 bit, we're going to remove the two screws behind the coolant bottle. There's one on the outside and then one on the inside under the harness. You'll have to move it around to be able to see it. Just go right down and remove that screw. Grab the coolant bottle and pull it up and out of place. We have a clamp on the bottom hose. Pinch that clamp, pull it down the hose. I'm going to break the tension between the plastic and the hose. If your coolant bottle is full of coolant, you can use a pair of pinch-off pliers right here. When you remove this reservoir, fluid may come out. Remove the coolant bottle, remove the cover, install the hose onto the bottom of the coolant reservoir. Pinch the clamp and pull it into place. Install the coolant bottle down into place. This is where that second screw was that you couldn't see. Drop the coolant reservoir down into place and get the screws started. With the two bolts started, snug them down. Install the harness into the bottle. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Pull the hose over and get it installed onto the bottle. Pinch the clamp. Pull it into place. Install the washer bottle filler neck. Twist it all the way down onto the reservoir. Get the bolt installed and snug it down. We're going to twist our cap counterclockwise. Now we're able to fill our coolant. If you had any old coolant from the old bottle, go ahead and drop it in here. Now on the side of the bottle, it tells you which coolant you're supposed to use. Go ahead and drop in your coolant. We're going to fill this up to our max mark. Once you're at the max mark, go ahead and put the cap on your reservoir. Now hop in your vehicle and start it up, and you're going to let this bleed for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the reservoir is done bubbling, come out here and check it, double check the level, and we may need to top it off. You can see that our coolant level dropped, so we can open it back up, top it off as needed, fill it right back up to that max mark, put the cap back on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.